So now guys, you can observe that I have two chords, or I have two secants meeting the circle in 2 points actually. Okay, secants A, B and C, D, they're meeting at a point P. Okay, what I'll do is I'll join the lines DB and AC in this case. All right, now if we join these two lines guys, देखो एक arc है यहाँ पे BC. Okay, angle BDC is the inscribed angle for this arc BC. Same way, angle BAC also is the inscribed angle for this arc, right? That means these two angles should be equal. Both are half of BC only. So again, same angle, inscribed angle theorem say. And angle BPD is same as angle CPA, right? Because they are vertically opposite. So I can say that DPB triangle and triangle APC, these two triangles will be similar by the AA test. Whenever triangles are similar, ratio of sides is corresponding side is same. So PD upon PA will be PB upon PC. Okay. When you cross multiply these two guys, you'll get PA into PB. Okay. PC into PD. Okay. PA into PB का जो value होगा will be equal to PC into PD. Okay. So start with this meeting point P. P से लेके A पहला point, P से लेके B दूसरा point on same chord. So PA into PB will be same as PC ये होगा into PD ये होगा, right? So PA into PB will be PC into PD. Okay, let's go on to the next part. Abhi isi mein suppose guys, I don't have the chords AB and CD meeting internally. Okay, what if the chords AB and CD meet externally at a point D? Right, now I join BD and AC in this case. Guys, हम आगे जाके सीखेंगे, okay, and in the coming classes. Okay, ये जो angle होगा, okay, angle BDC will be equal to angle PAC. Okay, it's a cyclic quadrilateral ABC ABDC. Series angle ये होगा, it is equal to the remote interior angle. We'll prove that in the upcoming classes. Okay, and P is the common angle. So I can say that triangle PAC will be similar to triangle PDB. Again, you can write the ratio of the corresponding sides. So guys, you will have PA upon PD will be equal to PC upon PB. You can again cross multiply them. Okay, PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD, right? Okay. So from both of these, what you can realize is, guys, there are two secants, okay, AB and CD. In both the cases, AB and CD are the two secants which are meeting at a point P, right? पहले case में P internal point है, दूसरे case में P external point है. Okay, nonetheless, there is a common relationship you can observe between these two. What is that? Okay, कोई भी एक meeting point, let's say P. P से लेके पहला वाला secant का point A, उसी secant का दूसरा point B. So PA into PB. Okay, ये हो गया अपना left hand side. And right hand side क्या होगा guys? दूसरे secant का पहला point C. Okay, PC into दूसरे secant का दूसरा point D. So PC into PD, right? So PA into PB is PC into PD. Okay, this is what you're supposed to remember. Okay, same thing you can remember here also, right, guys? Meeting point है, पहले secant का पहला point कौन सा है? A. पहले secant का दूसरा point क्या है? P. So PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD. पहले दूसरे secant का पहला point, दूसरे secant का दूसरा point. Okay. There is also one more addition you need to know for these two, and that is about the angles here, right? If you can observe here, guys, P is the interior point of meeting here in this case. P is the interior point of meeting, right? So for angle APC or angle BPD, एक ही बात है, both are vertically opposite. So APC का जो measure होगा, guys, वो क्या होगा? It will be half of arc BD plus half of arc AC. Don't worry, we'll derive this in some time. Okay. So right now, whenever the point of intersection P for two secants is lying in the interior, okay, the angle APC will be these two opposite arcs ka half, and just add them. Okay. Similarly, guys, if the point P is lying in the exterior, okay, the bigger arc is BD. The bigger arc is BD. The smaller arc is AC, right? So angle APD will be half of arc BD minus the arc half of arc AC in this case. Okay. So you remember them as a standard right now, but we're going to prove them in some time. Okay. Now let's observe that I'm drawing a tangent, okay, from P to the circle, and I call this tangent as T. Okay, I'll draw two more lines here. Okay, I'll draw TB and I'll draw TA. Okay, we saw through the pehle, right, by the alternate segment theorem, PTA will be same as PBT, right? These two angles will be equal, right? Alternate segment theorem. And P is supposed to be the common angle. So if you observe, guys, triangle the triangle PTA will be similar to triangle PBT, right? So triangle PTA similar to triangle PBT. Write the ratio of the corresponding sides. You will have PB divided by PT is PT upon PA. Cross multiply. You have PT square is equal to PA into PB, right? Okay, guys, अगर यही tangent हम यहाँ draw करते and would have joined suppose these points here, okay, these 2 points, right? तो हमें basically क्या मिलता है? हमें ये मिलता है कि PT square is PC into PD, right? So you can remember this as the tangent secant theorem. Okay, if there's a tangent having length PT, okay, and AB is the secant, so PA into PB will be equal to PT square. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right. Answer the following questions based on the below diagram. The first question is, if angle QCD is 20 degrees and angle QDC is 30 degrees, find angle BPD. Okay, guys. Now, a very simple way of doing this is, this angle is given to you as 20 degrees, right, guys? Okay, this is inscribed in the arc BD. Okay, now guys, BAD also is inscribed in the same arc BD, right? So uska measure bhi kitna ho jayega? 20 degrees. Okay, now look at triangle ADP in this case, guys. In this triangle ADP, I'll just draw it for you guys again. Redraw actually, APD in this case. Okay, this 30 degrees is the exterior angle, right? So 30 degrees should be 20 degrees plus the required angle. Okay, BPD. Okay, suppose I call BPD as A degrees. So I can say 30 degrees should be equal to 20 plus A. So A will be equal to 30 minus 20 or 10 degrees. That's the required answer. Now guys, this angle BPD का हमने जो formula देखा अभी, okay, it is nothing but 30 minus 20, right? Or the angle BPD is nothing but angle ADC, this angle, minus the angle BCD, right? Okay, or this angle, right? If you observe carefully. Okay, so what is angle ADC, guys? Angle ADC is half of the arc AC, right? It is inscribed in the arc AC. So ye angle ADC is nothing but half of arc AC. Similarly, BCD is inscribed in the arc BD, right, guys? So it will be half of arc BD, right? That's about it. So from here comes the formula of our angle BPD directly. Angle BPD here is arc AC minus BD ka half. As simple as that. Next question, guys. If angle QCD is 20 degrees and angle QDC is 30 degrees, find angle AQC. All right, same way, these two values have been given. Now, if you observe, guys, AQC is the exterior angle for triangle QCD, right? So A will be equal to 30 plus 20 or 50 degrees. As simple as that. Okay, but guys, if you observe, हमने अभी क्या किया? हमने लिखा AQC is same as angle QDC plus angle QCD, right? Or angle ADC plus angle BCD, right? Okay, ADC is nothing but half of arc AC, पहले देख चुके हैं हम लोग, और angle BCD भी क्या है? Half of arc BD, right? Okay, so putting the values, you have the next formula. Angle AQC, okay, this angle will be this arc plus this arc, right? Half. In the questions, again, if AB equals to 7 and PB equals to 9 and PD equals to 6, find DC. So we have been given PB equals to 9, AB equals 7 and PD equals to 6. Find the measure of DC. Okay. Now guys, we should know that PA into PB should be PD into PC, right? PA into PB is PC into PD. Okay, so what we do is we just write the equation now for PA into PB is PC into PD, and we keep PC as such. Okay, so all of the values are known. PA के जगह हमने 7 put किया है. Okay guys, PB क्या हो जाएगा? PB will be nothing but 7 plus 9. ये पूरा 7 plus 9 हो जाएगा ना? PB का value 16 और PC को हमने ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है, and PD will be 6. So solving this, you get PC equals to 9 into 16 by 6. So PC is 24. Is that the required answer? No, guys. And when PC find here, the question demands a length of DC, isn't it? Okay, so DC is nothing but PC minus PD. 24 minus 6 is 18, and that is the required answer for DC in this case. Right? Let's go on to the next question, guys. If AB equals to 7 and PB equals to 9, find the length of the tangent from P. So we are supposed to find the length of PT. For that matter, any tangent from point P. Okay, PT okay. So now in this case, we know that PT square will be PA into PB, right? So PT square जो भी होगा will be PB ये वाला length और PA ये वाला length, right? So PA कितना होगा, guys? PA will be 7 plus 9, 16, right? And PB will be 9 as such, right? So PT square is 16 into 9. PT will be 4 into 3. PT is equal to 12.